Here at i5 Jamaica Services, we handle all kinds of laptop repairs, whether it be screen changes, housing changes, whatever it is, you name it, we will do it. Take a look at this quick video as we run through this complete housing change of this Dell laptop. So if your laptop is in a bad state and needs some rehousing, we can help with that. i5 Jamaica Services, that's where it's at. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, i5 Jamaica Services has done it. We have completely reassembled this laptop and it's in proper working condition. So for all your laptop repairs and all your desktop repairs as well, see us first, www.hi5jamaica.com, or you can visit the service point at 28 South Avenue, that's in Kingston. 367-1220, that's the way to call us or WhatsApp us, and we will handle all your concerns. i5 Jamaica Services, thank you for watching.
We'll be right back.